Senators questioning Pasig Court's TRO on 85 peso Metro Manila wage hike. Ito po ay article ng Inquirer.net. So nung nakaraan mga kaibigan ay inutos ata ng anong sangay ng pamahalaan niya yung nag-aano ng mga wage. Basta yun. Na ito basta yun. Sumuko. Basta parang inutos na magdagdag ng 85 peso wage hike sa Metro Manila pero hati pa to per batch. Yung unang batch daw ng wage hike ay 60 peso muna. Simula yan noong July 25. Tapos, bandang January 2026 ata, kung di ako nagkakamali, saka palang ibibigay yung 20 or 25 peso na dagdag sahod. Pero ito'y kinonwestiyon ng nilagyan ng TRO ng Pasig RTC. So basahin natin itong article mga kaibigan. Senators on Monday questioned the Pasig Regional Trial Court's RTC its issuance of a temporary restraining order against the 85 peso wage hike in Metro Manila, which was supposed to take effect on July 25. Sana nararamdaman na to ng maraming nagtatrabaho sa Metro Manila, pero ang problema, may TRO. So wala din, hindi ba? Napagmayabang na nga to sa zona eh. Sayang naman. The TRO directed the National Capital Region Regional Tripartite Wages and Productivity Board to postpone the implementation of the wage hike after two construction companies filed a petition for declaratory relief. May dalawang kumpanya pa lang nagpahinto. Citing the employer's capacity to pay the increased salary. So sinasabi nung dalawang kumpanya na nag-file ng petition na parang hindi nila kayang ibigay yung dagdag sahod sa ngayon. Senate Committee on Labor and Employment Chairperson Senator Joel Villanueva and Vice Chairperson Senator Rapi Tulfo pointed out that under the Labor Code, ito yung the best part dito mga kaibigan, TROs should not be imposed against proceedings before the Regional Wage Board. So parang sinasabi lang dito mga kaibigan na hindi maihihinto ng TRO ang wage hike. Parang ganon. Wage hike or wage pagbaba, ganon. Hindi nila maihinto dahil merong batas sa Labor Code na bawal. Ito, sabihin na natin yung sinabi ni Villanueva. Ito to. We are also sad because we know that our workers desperately need this and are a little confused because under Article 126 of our Labor Code, a temporary restraining order should not be issued in this case. So dapat walang TRO dito. Walang makapagpahinto kumbaga sa wage hike. O basta yung pagbabago sa sahod. The Labor Code provision states, ito yung sabi sa Labor Code, no preliminary or permanent injunction or temporary restraining order may be issued by any court, tribunal, or other entity against proceedings before the commission or the regional boards. Bawal yon mga kaibigan. Yung bawal daw ayon sa batas yung ginawa ng Pasig RTC. Tulfo emphasized the importance of the wage hike amid rising price of goods. So ito sabi ni Senator Rapi Tulfo sa Tagalog pero in English niya itong article. The suspension of their wage increases amid the continued rise in the price of goods is a greater violation of their rights. The lives and the livelihoods of laborers should prevail in this matter. Yun ang sabi niya. Dagdag pa niya, the court should not interfere in this and it would be better for these companies that do not value the contributions of workers to their businesses to go through the proper process. So parang sinasabi na parang hindi ata binibigyan ng tamang halaga ng mga kumpanyang ito yung mga pinapagtrabaho nila o mga manggagawa nila. At dapat sumunod na lang sa proseso dito sa wage hike na ito, sabi dito ni Rapi Tulfo. Senator Risa Hontiveros also questioned the issuance of the TRO calling on the Department of Labor and Employment and the Office of the Solicitor General to exert efforts to lift the suspension of the wage hike. So parang sinasabi dito na dole sana naman. Patanggal nyo na tong TRO na to. Diba? She also urged employers to follow the processes required for the exemption from the wage hike. Ito ang sabi ni Chris Hontiveros. We should respect the law and the tripartite system where workers, employers, and the government have a voice. If this system is bypassed, the predictability and industrial peace that allow business to thrive will be at risk. So, yun. Ano pong masasabi niyo mga kaibigan sa pag-question ng ilang senador dito sa temporary restraining order ukol sa wage hike sa Metro Manila? Comment down below!